Newer home, great layout, quiet neighborhood. This home is perfect for you. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Mountlake Terrace. This is literally our third listing this year in Mountlake Terrace. And the location of this community is unbeatable. We're only 5 minutes away to Ranch 99 for all the shopping and restaurants, and we're only 5 minutes away to the light rail station. And this community was built in 2021 by Century Communities. It has its own trails and playground, really peaceful and private. And this home that I'm going to show you today has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,600 square feet inside, and the lot is very private. Let's go and check it out. So coming through the front door, this is quite a wide foyer. You can actually put a bench here for all the, shoes and slippers. And then coming through this way, here is a very open concept layout. This is the family room. It has a focal point of electric fireplace and very modern design, have tiles around it. So you can put your TV on top of it and you can put all your couches and chairs here. Great place for entertainment and for parties. Here is the kitchen area. I really like the size of this island, very practical, lots of storage, and then also a good sized sink. And all the appliances are almost new, and this is a gas range. If you want a range hood, you can, but now, of course, it has a fan and everything. It will satisfy all your cooking needs. And this is a nice storage for a walk-in pantry. You can put in all your pots and food, great area. And there is the dining area. So you can easily fit in an 8 to 10 seat table here. And of course, they have windows on both sides. This is a great window to look at the view of the backyard. And then you have direct access to the backyard through the patio door. And we can take a look at the yard right now. So the yard is not very big, but it's very usable and flat. It's fully fenced, so if you have a little pet, this is a great design. Of course, this is covered patio, so very practical in Seattle, so you can enjoy the outdoor living during the winter season. So now we're on the second floor. Here is a loft area, really open, and you have a higher ceiling on this area. 2 windows, great natural light. And the primary is on that side, and I'm going to show you right now. So French door to the primary, really spacious. You have patio door, a lot of windows. You can easily fit in king-size bed, nightstand, and some furniture on the side. And I want to show you a little space right here. So this room is very unique. You can make it a game room, your office, or if you have a little baby, it can be a nursing room for a while. And here is a pretty nice balcony. It's pretty spacious, and you can have a view of this whole neighborhood. I really like this lot because this is a corner lot of this row of homes. So you have no neighbor on your right-hand side, and you can enjoy this great view from the balcony. Let me show you the primary bathroom. So the bathroom has everything, double sink, and then good countertop and wide cabinets, really modern design. They have a full bathtub and then also a shower room. So here they have a walk-in closet. It's not very big, but it has shelves and everything, very practical design. So after looking at this home, I really like how new it is and how conveniently located of this community. We're only 5 minutes away to all the shoppings and the light rail station. If you're looking for a newer home in North Seattle that is easy commute to Seattle, this is a great choice. We're going to put this home on the market around 1.3 million. If you're interested, we have open houses this weekend. Come and join us. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.